So my people, good morning. I want you to do this short video. May I show you this waist trainer when I say. So if you are interested, you love her, so inbox me. A small money, very affordable. So see, this is how it look like. See the back. See, this is how. So the back be. So this one at the front. So if you dey interested, inbox me. And small money, very affordable. Okay, so I get a lot of them. I even get many. Now I go post, give people. So I go post, and so go post things, give people. If you like this waist trainer, inbox me. Maybe this is okay. So this one now, let's you. So others one they don't pay, now to yours post them. You give, I tell you the price, you send me money, I buy it, I post and give you. That's why I do my own. So all those one people don't pay, so now to post and go give them. Now this one. So see where this one see be. So this one now, I say my see test this one now, I not go better. This one has small size. So now I not go enter this one small size. This one, so you see this one on my own that they use. See this one is stress. This one I have but L if you wear the stress. See this one on my own that they use. So this one see they see all this one see this thread. So yeah. Like this. So as I wear one down now, I'm going face wear. So this one, see they available, very help. It help well. Not be magic. Once you wear 2 days, your tummy go flat. No, not be magic. But they help you. They build their shape. You see me now, mother of 10 kids. You see, very help. Okay, they very nice. As I felt up my first son engaged last week. It's not Friday. Yes, my first son engaged last week Friday. Make you know my big boy. So at this time I take carry, I take born. You see told me when they take born 10 children, see look very yummy, very good. See look good, eh? So if my people, if you like all those dress when you see they my Facebook post, anyone you see like, you see they interested, inbox me. I tell you the price, give me money, I buy you, I post and give you. Now not past 10 euro, 15 euro. And so you reach. So you see all those clothes now for people. Yeah, I don't go post up. These I don't feel they open them now to fold down. I don't feel see all the people. See all those one people. You see? All those people. And people things with this one. People things with this one. I'll go. So all those other people so I'll go put the suit. So even this one a big size the person they use when you're down. So see very beautiful dress, you know. And then summer clothes, this thing. As you wear your swimming pants, put this one on top. See? So if you are interested. So are the black, so the white see there. So some people, I think I get one. I own pink. Those one are people for summer to go. So see this one, I see person also. I'll go post and give people. So anyone you, in case you like, if you inbox me. So this one, this waist string I see there. And then I put this one. For me, put linen here. So this my real tummy, my real tummy, nothing there. This my real tummy. Tummy when I take button kiss. Okay, I still get good shape, but this one I get good shape on my own, but this one they help. Okay, this one I real tummy without no waist trainer, without nothing. Without nothing. I don't take my breakfast this morning, so I don't drink latte, milk. I don't drink milk with brioche, you know. So that is it. See, this is how it look like. See the back. So you see the way they arrange my body now. They get fitty, but I get normal good shape. I get normal good body. That one they aside, but this one see they help. You get good body, you know, get it they help, you know. You see her now, so very good. If you see like this tight and this thing when I wear, so this thing I wear, so you see they are valuable. I will get some for years for people. So if you see like this one when I wear, so if you see inbox me, tell me say that way you wear I like I need them, so I get them for you. If you see they, so if you like, can you tell me? I check whether I see they, so I tell you the price. I get them for you. Okay, so now be this one. So you see how go to the whole belly. See, this is my tummy. So if you dey in need, you inbox me. Okay, so and all those one. All those tight. This one see they arrange bell. I won't feel weird then now because I didn't in a hurry. I won't go post all those. See, today now Saturday they close for poster. See all those ones, see the help. If you not like this one, you don't like the tight. Maybe they go occasion or party. I don't know. Anyway, they go. You know want put all those waist when you wear tight. This one will help you arrange that belly. Set your back well, you know. Will help you arrange them well. Like the others one. Let me this tight. See, so natural color. If you need this color or you need black, then like the others one. So that's one of people go. I go post them. So and this small belt. So this is my real tummy. The way it they make you they sweat. This small the time when I take wear on, so as I pull on, so see sweat. It will make you sweat for that tummy, you know. And this small one, if you say like, hey yo, my size up. You see this one, let's take get fit, see it back. So just small bed. If you don't dress all the way I take dress, or if you put on, you know, like this here. Not for belly like this here. You see we take get fitty. So if you dey interested, please inbox me. I get time for you the way you take want, exactly what you want. I get time, I post on, I give you. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much, mama, auntie, brother. If you're interested, ma see the we are not really woman. Ma hold they are able post on ourselves to they go gym, all those stuff. Ma hold they mostly this one. They make you they sweat. Ma hold they, woman hold they. Yeah, so people never get tummy self. If they help you, they carry, they hold, they do better shape. You know, this one my small biggie belly, normal belly, but see okay, not too big. I don't say tertiary don't come out for inside, so see they okay. So that's all. Thank you very much. So I want to go post all those things for the owner. So if you are interested, if this one I wear, so if you see like you they interested, inbox me. I'll see get them for different color day, blue day, red day, black day, different color day. Me I they always they like blue. My lovely color so far now blue. I they always they wear blue jello. That's my best color. So anytime they always they wear blue. No? So different color day for this one, black, red day. Any color you want, I get them for you. Okay, bye for now.